That is goodness right there. Oh, I cannot wait to taste this one. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas, and this is Papa's Kitchen. That's right, today is a special one, and it has to do with, look at that, tree hugger honey. That's right, tree hugger honey, look at that. Awesome cup, by the way. Get you some. I'll tell you how here in a minute, but this has something to do with my next cook. I was supposed to use another local honey, but I won this in a giveaway from Massachusetts Prepper. Right there's Massachusetts Prepper. I'll leave a link to his channel. He does more than just his honey, but his honey has taken off like crazy. I've been connected to him since 2016, and he had like two, I think at the time, beehives behind his house. Now he's got them all over the place. And this stuff is kicking. I've been buying these every year in support of them. I guess I still need to buy one, don't I? Yeah. But today, we're doing baby back ribs, smoked baby back ribs. The honey will be involved with this one. I hope you stick around for it. You're welcome to subscribe to Papa Texas and watch further cooks. But for this time, we are going to start off with Uncle Steve Shake, Gator Shake, my favorite. Oh, I'm below the line. What do? We get another one. Yeah, there's his sticker. Papa loves stickers. I need to work on my sticker board because I got a lot of stickers from YouTubers. That'd be Sandy over there, Massachusetts Prepper, Tree Hugger Honey. Yeah. Right there, you can take that information and go and find him. I'll also leave his link down below. So we're gonna start off with some apple wood, get it smoking on there. We're gonna hit it with the Uncle Steve's Gator Shake, and we're doing a 3-2-1 method. 3, 2, 1. Try it if you hadn't tried it. Come back here and tell me you tried it. Say, yeah, Papa, that was awesome. It's gonna cook for 3 hours open, 2 hours wrapped, 1 hour open. The 2 hours wrapped is where we will be adding brown sugar, and I've done that before, but the addition is the tree hugger honey. We're gonna pour this sucker all over that. And I think this is gonna be goodness. I have never used the honey bit. I've just done the brown sugar. So it's gonna be an awesome cook. The part I mainly want you to see is in 3 hours when I get to the wrapping with the brown sugar and the honey. That's the part I'm gonna show you. All right, I'm gonna get set up and we'll see you in a couple hours. Chin Chin, where'd that come from? Hit that bell. Yeah, but look at that. Look at the pullback. All right, this is 3 hours in. Open. I've been putting apple juice on it a little bit. Threw some apple juice down in the water pit there. We're gonna get these off, and we're gonna put brown sugar and that awesome honey. All right, we'll be back in just a sec. All right, here comes the first one. Man, look at the pullback. That's awesome. This already looks really good. Tree Hugger Honey. That's right. It'll be linked down below. Go to Massachusetts Prepper. Check them out. We're just gonna squirt this goodness all like this. That's a lot of goodness right there. And I promise you, what is so cool about Sandy over there at Massachusetts Prepper, Tree Hugger Honey, you get to watch him work with the bees and see what he's doing, and then you have the chance to purchase what you saw. Now here's where you go with the brown sugar. That is goodness right there. Oh, I cannot wait to taste this one. Oh, look at that. Candy ribs. Yeah, with Papa Texas. You know, all this will disappear over the next 2 hours as it cooks, but it'll be embedded in the ribs. All right, I'm gonna wrap these up, get them in there, pull out the other one, do it. I don't need to show you two of them, do I? Y'all be sure and go check out Massachusetts Prepper. His link is below and probably up inside. We'll see. 2 hours wrapped, 1 hour unwrapped. I might show you the unwrapping in 2 hours. Be minutes for y'all. Here's Papa. Yeah. It's time to bring these bad boys out. And they'll go back in there for 1 hour. 3, 2, 1 cook. 1 hour. Let's see what they look like after the honey and brown sugar been on them. Yeah. We're coming over. You notice it's sagging, right? That means it's awesome. Oh, look at it. It's leaking too. Yeah. All right. We're going to bring you over here and we're going to see what this looks like. All right. I know it's going to be hot. We got 1 more hour to go. Oh my gosh. I can smell it. I can see it. Look at that. So go back on without foil for 1 more hour. I don't know what all you can see, but that's awesome. It really is. We'll do a taste test here in a minute for y'all. Yeah. All right, let's bring the bad boys over. Yeah. That is awesome. I hope y'all can see that. Hang on. I hope y'all can see that. That is like awesomeness, ain't it? All right, get you some tree hugger honey and some Uncle Steve shake. Yeah. Here's what we got. Hang on, I'll try it out. Give me a sec. Let me reposition. This stuff looks so awesome. I mean, just look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Look at that. It's awesome. They all falling off the bone. We're gonna try this one right here. Woo! They're hot. Uncle Steve shake added with that honey. Oh yeah, you've got to try this. We need to get inside and mix this up with some of Gigi's famous, world famous beans. Yeah, you get that recipe when I hit 30,000 subscribers. Yeah. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Big Debbie made me that. See ya.